but where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely? Laugh and cry.
He's a family
The annual Quahog Star Trek convention, where once a year sci-fi buffs take their lips off the barrel of a loaded gun and spend half a day adjusting their eyes to sunlight.
Brian, look, I purchased authentic blueprints to build a Star Trek transporter.
Well, that's great, Stewie. You should get William Shatner to sign them for you.
No way, I'm getting Patrick Stewart to sign it. Picard has it all over Kirk. He's poised and measured and doesn't wear a cheap rug. Rather, he accepts even baldness with a quiet cool that says, I am in command. You are safe with me. I will cradle you in my arms through any crisis in any galaxy.
Are you queer?
Probably.
Dad, this is stupid. I'm so bored.
How can you be bored? This convention has everything. You can even try on LeVar Burton's visor. Why would he wear these? Who would invent these for him?